darn minute. I want to... I recognize that lady.
Whistler's mother.
Look, I want to know what all this is about.
Hear it
What all
again.
this one is about.
Go on, Bella.
This morning. You make
Go,
me
Bella.
kiss a spotted dog on the nose. Okay, some people have quirks, so I went along with it. But then I was
Good
pushed
job,
into
baby.
a swimming pool with all my clothes on. No, let me finish. I was pushed twice by you.
Wait till the
and
fishy
once
to come
by
back.
Whistler's mother.
It's level 2, guys. Okay.
And then I am dragged out of my office and told to get into a Paul Revere costume and to get on a horse. Now, I am not going to move from this spot until I know why.
Adam, I promise I will explain it all to you tonight. Right now, you just do as we say.
Come on, baby. Hit it.
If you don't, you'll be branded as a common thief.
What for?
For stealing money from the bank.
I feel like I've just stepped through the looking glass.
I know it's hard to understand, but it's true.
Okay, so I stole some money. Well, where is it? Is it in my suit? Is it under my hat? Is it in my briefcase?
Okay. Okay. What are you doing?
This
is the
my
fishies.
briefcase. I must have picked
Hey,
up
Jake.
the wrong one.
There's the fishies. Hey.
It's too late. We're gonna have to do it our way.
Your way?
Yes, you go on upstairs, put on that Paul Revere costume, get out there, get on that horse, ride through the marketplace yelling, witches are good, witches are dear. Witches are good.
Go, baby. Go, baby. Hit it.
We're gonna have to tell
Go, baby.
What?
Go, baby.
Tell me.
Baby. There we
you're
go.
bewitched.
Try again.
And you only have 10 minutes to get
Hey.
bewitched.
Don't bite the iPad.
It's like this. One of your ancestors, Judge Adam Newlock,
Hey.
sentenced the witch Sorelda to be dunked in a pond 3 times.
And she put a spell on him. 2 months later, he robbed a bank. Now, Aunt Clara has a book that has all that information.
Let's try
in it.
another one.
Now, it's lucky for you, she also knows the antidote. Now, that's why we had you kiss the spotted dog on the snout. Astute, that knows.
And that's why we pushed you into the
Baby,
pool, because you
look.
had to be dunked 3 times. And that's why we want you to go upstairs and put on that Paul Revere costume and get on the horse that's tethered up, because it's the only way. And what, Adam, where are you
Come
going?
on. Hit it.
How to get into my Paul Revere costume?
You mean you believe us?
Of course I believe you. I'm from Salem.
He's a good rider. He only has 9 minutes to make it to the shopping plaza. Oh,
Normally, Lieutenant, we wouldn't have discovered the loss until Monday, but by some strange chance, Miss Thompson decided to run into...
try
well, I
another
won't
one.
go into details. The money is missing. Now, what can we do?
Well, first we'll run a routine check on all the employees, their homes, so forth. Then we'll...
Witches are